Guys, welcome back to our channel again, guys. Alright guys, today I would like to share how is the recipe how to make Indonesian sambal, guys. This is the recipe, the one that we have in our family, guys. So the ingredients will be chili, tomato, shallots, garlic, and shrimp paste. Alright, I will show you the ingredients, guys. So guys, this is the tomatoes. I will have 3 tomatoes. Remember this one I peel it up the skins already, so this is a skin free. And shallots, garlic, chili. One kind of chili is the small one and the other one is big. So one of those chili are different flavor, guys. This one is much more spicy, and the red one, the big one, is not so spicy, guys. And this one is shrimp paste, guys. This is shrimp paste, the one that we have here in Indonesia. I think you can find it there in your place. So at first we're going to fry all of these things, but first I will going to fry the tomatoes, and following the times I will fry together with the tomatoes, the shallots, and also the garlics, and after chili. So we will going to fry together, guys. Alright guys, so I going to reheat the pan first. Put cooking oil, that's enough. Let's see, a little bit more, yeah. So make sure the oil is hot, guys. So this is one of our sambal, the one that we have sometimes on our dining table. So after we fry together all of the ingredients, later on we're going to muddle all of the ingredients, guys. As simple as you see, guys, it's very easy to make sambal as long you have the ingredients, especially the shrimp paste. Maybe in Philippines you can find there, in Philippines you can find the shrimp paste there. Maybe you are thinking that sambal is very hard to make, but this one is very easy to make. The only problem is only the ingredients. Some of the ingredients you cannot find in your place, guys. You can add now the garlic and also shallot. Okay guys, next you can put the chili right now. chili is cooked. So when the chili is cooked, so now I can cook the tomato. Okay. Next is the shrimp paste. Alright guys, it's cooked. So I need to muddle this ingredient, guys. See, this one is the shrimp paste, fried shrimp paste, tomato, all ingredients are in. So now I'm going to muddle. Alright guys, it's very soft and very easy to muddle. This is the favorite of my mom, sambal. We need to add chicken powder. Not too much. this chicken powder just to taste, to make a taste. So there is a saltiness in the sambal. Alright guys, this is the sambal, the one that we always have it at home. This is a family recipe guys. This is sambal terasi, Indonesian sambal terasi. Alright guys, I'm going to try with tofu. This is a cooked tofu. It's really nice guys. See, with a simple simple food, sambal can make the food become special. Even only tofu guys. That's why Indonesian, they like to eat sambal. Sometimes they eat only with rice, sambal and rice only. Very nice. I like to eat with sambal like this. Spicy. There is little sour, salty, and the flavor of the shrimp paste is strong. It make the food become more tasty. Very nice guys. I love it. Wow, sambal. Sambal taste is nice. Very nice guys. Alright guys, thank you so much. I hope this tutorial how to make sambal, Indonesian sambal with shrimp paste, can help you there in case if you want to make sambal. This is the one that we have here. This the ingredient, family ingredients, one that I show you. There is many kind of sambal. So next video maybe I going to make more ingredients from sambal. It's easy, very simple, less ingredients to make your food become special with sambal guys. Alright guys, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it can help you at your home how to make sambal. Don't forget like, comment, share this video. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel just to support this channel, always growing. And don't forget to hit the bell notification, so if there is some new videos you will get the first one having notification from our channel with a new video. Alright guys, thank you so much guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.